Hola, ¿cómo están todos? Un momento. Hoy vamos a estudiar de she clauses, ¿vale? Just quickly, I'm going to read the general clause, she clauses, okay? Un momento. She clauses express a condition or event upon which another condition or event depends. Sentences with she clauses are often hypothetical statements. No? They contain a subordinate clause, she clause, and a main clause without clause. ¿No? Vamos a ver. Por ejemplo, si tienes tiempo, un momento. Si tienes tiempo, ven con nosotros al parque de atracciones. If you have time, come with us to the amusement park. Iré con ustedes si no tengo que trabajar. I'll go with you if I don't have to work. So basically, when you want to say if something, okay, we have some grammatical rules. And in English too, when you say if something, there are a lot of different type of expressions. For example, if I have a time, okay, I go out tonight. Something that can really happen, very likely to happen. Or something like this. If I were a millionaire, I would buy a big house. I mean, it's not a very realistic type of statement. Or sometimes in the past, if I did something that would happen. You know, so this kind of hypothetical statements. Okay? So we have some grammatical rules, okay, when we want to make this hypothetical statement. Vamos a ver. Now this video shouldn't be too long, so actually shouldn't be too longer than 15 minutes. Okay, so please, it's kind of complicated, but please listen carefully. I try to explain well. Just a moment. First of all, hypothetical statements about possible event. Now, something like this. If you don't play the lottery, excuse me, si usted no juega a lotería, no puede ganar. If you don't play the lottery, you can't win. Another one, si Gisela está dispuesta a hacer cola, if Gisela is willing to wait in line, conseguirá esta entrada seguro. She will definitely get tickets. Si marcan un solo gol más, if they score just one more goal, van a ganar el partido. They are going to win the game. So, she, if something. But these statements are about possible events, something that can happen really. Okay? Super high possibility to happen. ¿No? Si sales temprano de trabajo, if you finish work early, let's go to concert. Vámonos a concierto. Then you can just use present tense. No puede, no conseguirá. Or future tense. No? We already covered this future tense. And ir a infinitive. Van a ganar. ¿No? Van a estudiar. Van a conseguir. We learned this ir a infinitive in Spanish 101. When you want to tell the future, you use this ir and infinitive. Command. ¿No? Vámonos. Okay? Let's go. So you can use these tenses if it's likely to happen. Another, si no estudias, no puedes sacar buena nota. If you don't study, you can't get a good grade. It's very possible, right? Si no trabajas, no conseguirás dinero. If you don't work, no conseguirás dinero. You don't get any money. Bailamos, bailamos juntos si tenemos tiempo esta noche. Okay, let's dance, no? Together. Okay, if we have time tonight. So you can use just present tense, no? Si no estudias, no puedes. Okay, these are present tense. Okay, this is present tense. This is future tense. You can also use future tense. Okay, bailamos, tenemos. You can just use present tense. Okay, then let's see some other statements. Something like this. Hypothetical statements about improbable. No? Something like this. Si tuviéramos boletos, if we had tickets, iríamos, we would go to the concert. Iríamos, no? This is conditional tense that we already covered. Iría, irías, iría, estudiaría, estudiarías, estudiaría. Okay? Volaría, compraría, escribiría. So here you use past subjunctive, no? Tuviéramos. Okay? Estudiáramos, compráramos, escribiéramos, miráramos, bebiéramos, ¿no? So I want you to review this past subjunctive and conditional. Okay? So she clause is gonna be past subjunctive, okay? And main clause conditional. Otra vez. Si tuviéramos boletos, if we had tickets, iríamos al concierto. We would go to the concert. So in this case, as it says, improbable situation. Si tuviéramos, if we had ticket, it means we don't have it, right? We don't have it. We would go to concert. No, this action is very improbable because we don't have the ticket. Another one, if I want so tired, I'd go out to dinner with you. No? If I want so tired, which means I am tired. So it's a current condition, but it's the kind of improbable situations. If I want so tired, okay, which means I am tired. No? I'd go out to dinner. This action also is very improbable. Okay, another one. So I put this conjugation chart. So please use it to review those conjugations. Okay. So comería, comerías, comería, tomaría, 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 viviría, viviría, viviría. Okay, there are some irregular ones. Okay. So this she clause, of course, you have to review those conjugation chart. No. Here I put some caminara, caminara, caminaras. Okay, this is past subjunctive that you need to use. Pudiera, pudieras, pudiera. Vivieras, viviera. Okay, vamos a ver otro. Now, this one. Hypothetical statements about the past. Okay, vamos a leer in hypothetical statements about contrary to fact situations in the past. The she crowd describes what would have happened if another event or condition had occurred. The she clause uses a past perfect subjunctive. The main clause uses conditional perfect. Vamos a ver, ¿no? Por ejemplo, si no me hubiera lastimado el pie, if I hadn't injured my foot, habría ganado la carrera. I would have won the race. No? So here, past perfect subjunctive, hubiera lastimado, hubiera estudiado, hubiera comprado, hubiera caminado, ¿no? And habría ganado, main clause, conditional perfect. ¿No? Difference is here habría, aquí hubiera, ¿no? So main clause is gonna be conditional perfect. Okay, main she clouds is gonna be past perfect subjunctive, ¿vale? So, another example. Si me hubieras llamado antes, if you had called me sooner, habría podido reunirnos. We would have been able to get together. Okay? So this is a hypothetical statement in the past. Okay? So if I had done something, I wouldn't done something. So some other example. Si Michael Jackson hubiera vivido, habría hecho los conciertos en Europa. If Michael Jackson had lived, of course he's dead. Yeah, this he died. So of course this is something that happened in the past, and I'm making hypothetical situation. If Michael Jackson had lived, habría hecho, he would have done los conciertos en Europa. Okay, he would have done the concert in the Europe. And this is true story actually. He was planning to do some concerts in European countries when he died. Si no hubiera tenido adulterio, Tiger Woods habría jugado mejor. If he had, if he hadn't had adultery, Tiger Woods would have played better. Again, okay, he had adultery. That's something in the past. Okay, and I'm making hypothetical situation. Okay, si no hubiera tenido adulterio, if he didn't have had. Okay, if he had not had the adultery, Tiger Woods would have played better. Tiger Woods habría jugado. Hubiera tenido, habría jugado. Okay. Can you see the difference here? Si no hubiera tomado droga, Whitney Houston habría sido más feliz. Okay. So, if he hadn't taken drug, Whitney Houston would have been more happier. Again, she was taking drug, okay, illegal drug, and it was in. I'm making hypothetical situation. Okay, she no hubiera tomado if she hadn't taken drug. Whitney Houston habría sido más feliz. She would have been happier. So those three type of statements, hypothetical statements. Okay, so I want you to do. Okay, I put some exercises, but I want you to do this one. Completa las oraciones, situaciones probables o posibles, ¿no? So, si mi amiga Teresa no, pronto tendremos que hacer cola. If my friend Teresa doesn't come soon. Here, this is something that can really happen. So in this case, what do you put? Venir, viene, vino, hubiera venido, vendría. Yeah, what did I say here? Yeah, I want you to look at those examples. If it's a very probable situation, which one do you use? And also, this one, situaciones hipotéticas sobre eventos improbables. Si mis padres estuvieran aquí, no salir con mis amigos. Okay. Now, events, current situation, but improbable, no? Okay, something like this. Okay, we saw these examples, right? Okay, the current situation, but improbable. Which one? Poder, podría, puede. Okay, hubiera podido. No? There's another question here. And the third one, situaciones hipotéticas sobre el pasado. It's a hypothetical situation in the past, no? We just saw it. Something like this. If Michael Jackson didn't die, yes, si mi tía la aguafiesta, perdón, si mi tía la aguafiestas no hubiera venido a pasar las vacaciones conmigo, Divertirse, how do you conjugate? Okay, divertiría, okay. Se divertiría, se hubiera divertido, se habría divertido. Okay, which one do you choose? Okay, so please just do these exercises. Okay, it's about time, and please, um, if you have any question, please send me email. I'm going to respond pretty quick. Vale. Okay, adiós.